Corey.
Oh shit. What?
Normally don't read the manual before we do an unboxing.
Oh, so you want to do an unboxing
It's
today?
time for an unboxing.
Of the SEBO stick?
Yes.
All right. Got it. Okay. Here we go. I guess I'll try to. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I know nothing about this machine. I've only seen it once in person. SEBO balance. I guess here we go. So we'll do an unboxing, and I guess we'll learn it together. So these do, from what I know, come with a stand. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. So a stand, they do come with a lot of tools. So looks like we got a motorized nozzle here. Again, I don't know where any of this goes. You caught me off guard. I was trying to learn it before doing it.
Yeah, we're gonna wing it.
Okay, dusting and upholstery. Looks like this may be part of the stand. The one thing I do remember, I seen this at the show last year, it does come with a hose. So it's like the only stick vacuum that has a hose option. I thought was relatively neat. Soft brush, extra filter. Looks like this is more of the wand. And that's all of that. Let's see what else we got in here. So now we're getting to the vacuum part. So this is going to be the wand for the vacuum. Here we go. So it's very light. Small, compact. This one is the magenta color. Dusting. Wall mount with charger, or if you want to just use the stand, you can use the stand. It looks like it comes with hardware. This was a really cool feature I remember. It's like a lightsaber, it lights up. And this is the brush roll nozzle, clear charger, adapter, and battery. And I think that is it. All right, now let's put this guy together. All right, so I guess battery. There we go, locked on. It's got a display screen there. All right, so this looks like it may screw together somehow. Not sure how that goes. See, that's why I was reading the manual before you came over. I do remember this goes there. It lights up. So it's an illuminated crevice tool. And I think this, and then this, and then that. So it does articulate well. Lays flat, multiple speeds. Charging this and this. Okay, so let's slide this together. I see. And then it looks like that will then slides down in and locks in. This then locks in here. Charger plugs in here. And I'm going to come around. So now if we bring this down level here, it looks like this is supposed to sit like that and charge. And then you've got your tools, it looks like can sit down on here. Maybe that can go there. Again, I've got to read the manual about how all of these tools are supposed to fit on here. But so mini nozzle for upholstery. Hose, and now you can put your dusting brush on and dust upholstery and whatnot like that. And pop this back off. And I'll come in, you can see this screen here. So you can control it. It does light up and it'll tell you clogs and filter changes and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's a quick off-the-cuff unboxing of a SEBO Balance stick vacuum. We'll do some reviews on it, some real-life testing, so look for those videos in the future that'll be a little bit more professionally done.